True Shine at Speedy's Garage. How you doing, Eric?
Hey, how's it going?
He's coming in to put a clear bra on the front of our Hellcat Go Man Go. Eric, why don't you tell us about some of the benefits to the clear bra and some of the other services you might provide?
Well, today I'm going to install Xpel Ultimate Clear Bra, and we're going to do the partial front package, which basically covers all the high impact areas that are going to take most of the rock chips, most of the beanie. So it's going to include the full front bumper, and then we're also going to be doing 18 to 20 inches of the front of the hood and fenders. We're going to choose this time to wrap the edges just for a cleaner appearance. And
you mentioned the bikini cut when we were chatting, so kind of describe that, how we may hide the line a little bit and line up with the way the...
Right, so there's some people, some other installers may just do a straight line across the hood. To me, that is an eyesore. The bikini cut does an arced tail side, which matches the back of the hood, the cowl area. So that normal curved line that doesn't grab your eye, I introduced that same curve to the back side of the clear bra. That way it appears cleaner.
Makes sense.
So this particular car, we're opting to cover the front partial, the high impact areas. This does leave a line across the hood, which some customers opt to not shoot for. So they would upgrade to the full hood or the full fender. To cut out this full hood, I prefer a machine plotter that cuts the film with each specific air dam and vent. It's cut out for logos and emblems, so you don't have to remove emblems. And it basically covers the entire panel wrapped into the edge. That way, the full front end, there's no visibility of any film on the car whatsoever. Further back, we can upgrade into the A-pillars. Some cars are more prone to taking rock chip damage and across the windshield, so there's a kit for this on the Xpel website. So my machine plotter would cut it out, it would fit precisely along all these edges and go across. The mirrors are typically included with any package you purchase, and it's going to cover mostly the front part of this. Also, if you just want full car protection, they actually have a template for this entire side of the vehicle, doors included. Some cars that are wide and performance cars, you're going to notice a lot of damage in the rear corner panels that stick out, such as the Corvette and other types of cars. So you can literally cover the whole door, and it's cut out so it fits around the mirror and the door handle. And for the seamless one-piece install would actually be a giant piece cut out for the specific shape that comes all the way here, and there is zero line on the car for the film. You can cover the full roof, trunk. This is also another high impact areas. You can put a piece right there on the side or opt for the whole bumper. But that's just a couple of options that you can choose to protect your car from getting damaged.
One of the main things I was concerned about was being able to see the material after it was installed. Sometimes you'll go to car shows and you'll see that kind of white line around the edge of the material. And this orange is a fairly dark color, but you still can barely see it, and that's only if you're really looking for it. It took me about 3 or 4 takes shooting video of this to even get it to show up on film, and that's exactly what it's like in person. Eric did a fine job trimming around all the areas, as you can see here with the hood vent, and he uses a machine cut template to make the material exactly match the vehicle he's putting it on. And Eric was also able to use a little bit of magic to make the flat stripes flat instead of shiny like the Xpel Ultimate material. Check out my website, www.speedysgarage.net, for more Go Man Go project information, and check out www.trueshine.net to see what else Eric has to offer.